सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ श्लोका नंबर 461। शरीरस्यापि प्रारब्धम् कल्पना भ्रान्तिरेव हि अध्यस्तस्य कुतः सत्त्वम् असत्त्वस्य कुतो जनिः अजातस्य कुतो नाशः प्रारब्धमसतः कुतः Shankaracharya negating the prarabdha to a jnani. Prarabdha means arabdham karma is called prarabdham. That karma which is the cause for the commence of this birth, this body. Shastra tells, because of previous janma karma phalam sanchita, a little portion which is ready to fructify, the jiva has to exhaust. That exhaustion of that karma, we call it as prarabdham karma. So, this jiva, individual, who is undergoing favorable, unfavorable experiences in this body, it is karma phalam. That karma phalam is called prarabdha karma phalam. Why it is called prarabdha? Arabdham karma phalam is called prarabdham. This prarabdha, generally people say even jnani also should undergo the prarabdha karma after attainment of jnanam also. Jnani also has to undergo the pain, pleasure of the body, mind, whatever he has done in the previous janmas, he has to undergo. This is a general convention, public opinion. Even Shastra also agree with this up to some extent. People may get doubt, what is the benefit of getting such a jnanam which cannot nullify the prarabdha? Prarabdha is continuing into a jnani also, and he is undergoing a pain and pleasure. What is big deal with that jnanam? Who wants such a jnanam? People may doubt. We see many jnanis, mahatmas suffering. Wise people, they are all jnanis. Therefore, public people may get a doubt. What is this jnanam, atma jnanam? What is this doing? Keeping this jnani suffering? They may get doubt. So, to remove that doubt, Shankaracharya says, from the Jnani standpoint, there is no prarabdha. Really speaking, from Jnani standpoint, from a wise person's standpoint, there is no prarabdha. Why? Because prarabdha belongs to the body, whatever people are thinking. That body is undergoing the prarabdha because of karma phalam. That karma phalam is because of purva karma. That karma phalam which is because of purva karma, because there is a janma for a body. See, janma, karma, karma phalam, prarabdha, prarabdha exhaustion, all these because of when you accept the birth of the body. I accept the reality of this body, birth coming out because of prarabdha. Janma, if I accept, I have to accept prarabdha karma. So Shankaracharya says, Sharirasyapi prarabdha kalpana bhrantihi eva. Even to this body, saying that prarabdha alone is the cause, Sharirasyapi prarabdha kalpana. Kalpana means what? Imagining. The body is because of prarabdha. In the kalpana. Kalpana pandradhu. Imagine pandradhu. This is also bhranti. Bhranti means what? Your confusion. The people's confusion. What can I do? Shastra says. Bhrantihi eva means delusion. Not real. Bhranti means what? It's not real. Then, why? What is the reason? Adhyastasya kutaha sattvam. Just as I superimpose the snake on the rope, adhyastam. Snake is superimposed on the rope. Really, there is no snake. How can I talk about the existence of the snake which is not there? How can I talk or discuss about the snake which is not there? For me, snake is not there. For you, snake is there. Therefore, you are discussing. Therefore, since snake is not there for me, I need not discuss. Adhyastasya kutaha sattvam. Where is the question of existence? Adhyasta means superimposed. Kutaha, where is? Where is the question of sattvam, existence? Where is the question of existence, that which is superimposed? Similarly, this body you are superimposing an Atma. Body and the rope place, you have to see the Atma, consciousness. And that consciousness, this body and the rope place, snake place, in the body. Adhyastasya sharira. Adhyastam shariram. Kutaha sattvam. Where is the existence of that body which is superimposed on Atma? Rope snake simple Swamini. How can I take this body superimposed on Atma? That's why Viveka Chudamani class. That's why we are coming to study Shastra. How to understand this body is superimposed on Atma. Kutaha sattvam. Then asatyasya kuto jenihi. Now the snake is not there. Can I talk about the birth time of that snake? What time? The birth time, tell me. Nakshatram, Tidhi. Okay. Can I talk about the snake birth? Its time, place. Can I talk about that? Because it's not there. Asatyasya kutaha jenihi. where is the question of birth? How can I talk about the birth of snake, which is adhyastam, superimposed? Kutaha janihi, where is the question of birth? Similarly, this body which is superimposed on the Atma, how can I talk about this birth of this body? But people are talking, no Swamini, date of birth and all. Jatakam, Tidhi, Nakshatram, time, place, autobiography. That's the first line he said, Bhranti. That's why it is very difficult to accept Vedanta. What is not tangible, what is not, we are not able to understand. People, as Vedanta talks, it is not pragmatic, it appears for us, because very difficult. Therefore, the teacher go on talking in because it is a subtle subject matter. We have to probe into that. We have to probe into that more and understand. So therefore, next third line you see, ajatasya. Once the snake is not, which is not born, ajata means birthless. Jenihi means birth. Ajatam means birthless. Birthless, that which is birthless, where is the question of nashaha? Where is the question of destruction? Birth irundadane nasham pannadukku. The destruction word can be taken place when there is birth. Snake is there, therefore destroy. You can say. Snake is there, therefore you destroy. I have understood there is no snake. Where is the question of destruction? Now you see, since this body I have understood this is superimposed on Atma, body has no birth. Since it has no birth, where is the question of destruction of the prarabdha? Because this body came because of prarabdha. Asal body I am negating. Body ke sambandhamana prarabdham, how can I negate? It is meaningless. Prarabdha belongs to the body. That body itself I am negating. How can I talk about the prarabdha negation? Ajatasya kuto nashaha prarabdham asataha kutaha. Asataha prarabdham. Kutaha prarabdham asataha. That which is not there, body is not there. Can you talk about the prarabdha of snake? Ayyo pavam. That snake has got prarabdha. It is going to die in my hands. Can you talk about that snake? Rope snake. Can you talk about the prarabdha of that unborn snake? How can I talk? Asataha, non-existent. Prarabdham. Asataha means asataha ajatasya. Asataha means non-existent. Because shariram itself non-existent, therefore prarabdha is non-existent. Asataha prarabdham. Non-existent prarabdha kutaha. Where is the question of non-existent prarabdha? It's nasha. My goodness, what is this? Why Shastra says some places, now question will come, next verse. The Purva Pakshi asks, Shastra accepts prarabdha in Chandogya Upanishad. As long as the prarabdha is there, person will continue. Once the prarabdha is over, the person leave this body, videha mukti. Shastra is telling. Tavadeva chiram yavanna vimokshe adha sampatsye. Chandogya Upanishad says. As long as the prarabdha is there, even jnani continues in the body. Once the prarabdha is over, this jnani attains videha mukti. That he keeps in our mind, he is asking the question. Now looking into the next shloka. So, prarabdha does not belong to Sakshi. Now, what is the final conclusion? Prarabdha does not belong to Sakshi. Prarabdha does not belong to body. Therefore, prarabdha does not belong to both. There is no destruction of prarabdha. Even prarabdha does not belong to ahankara. So, Sakshi, ahankara, body. Prarabdha does not belong to Sakshi, number one, that we have negated in the previous verses. Prarabdha does not belong to ahankara. Next, Sukshma Shariram. We have negated. Prarabdha does not belong to even physical body. That is the meaning. So, in the vision of Jnani, body is as good as non-existent. Therefore, prarabdha is also as good as non-existent. Now, look into the next shloka. Therefore, what I have to claim finally? Prarabdha vyatirikta ha aham sakshi. I am the different sakshi, free from prarabdha. I have no prarabdha at all. I means what here? Aham Brahma Asmi. From the Atma standpoint, there is no prarabdha. Okay, from the body standpoint, let it be there, prarabdha. Hey, body is not there. From rope standpoint, there is no prarabdha. From snake standpoint, let it be prarabdha is there. Sollala milliyo. From rope standpoint, there is no prarabdha. From snake standpoint, prarabdha vechikkalame. Shruti itself says, "Are snake illeppa, prarabdha eppadi solla mudiyum." But why Shruti says like that? Now he is asking the question. Next shloka, 462. Jnanena jnana karyasya samulasya layo yadi tishthatyayam katham dehah iti shankavato jadan. Samadhatum bahya drishtya prarabdham vadati shrutihi natu dehadi satyatvam bodhanaya vipaschitam. Now the question comes, how the Upanishad can say that Jnanam, after attainment of Jnanam, also Prarabdha continues until the body continues. Therefore, after Atma Jnanam also, Jnani is alive. Because he is talking, no? Jnani is teaching. See here, to teach, you have to invoke the Pramata. Pramata, I the knower, studying Viveka Chudamani. So I have to use my mind, I have to use my body, and I have to talk to the students. Clear? The students are required, mind is required, body is required to talk about Atma. then how this body is existing, on what basis? Interesting question. ஞானம் வந்தாச்சு, ஞானிக்கு நல்லா இருக்கு, ஓகே. பட் ஞானி உடம்பு இருக்கணும். He has to use the mind, he has to use the text, he has to become the pramata to teach, he has to talk to the students. How a person can exist, the human body can exist? What is that principle which holds this body? ஏதோ அது இருக்கணுமே. நீங்க பிராரப்தம் இல்லை இல்லைன்னு சொல்றேன், அது எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? ஏதோ அது இருக்கணுமே, அதுதான் நான் பிராரப்தம்னு சொல்றேன். ஸ்ருதி ஆல்சோ சேஸ் சொல்றான். வாட் இஸ் தட்? சி, ஞானேன அஜ்ஞான காரியஸ்ய. அஜ்ஞான காரியம் இஸ் வாட்? ஷரீரம். Because of previous janma, ajnanam alone lead to this body. Ajnana karyam is shariram. Ajnana karyasya jnanena, by knowledge. Jnanena means by knowledge. Ajnana karyasya sharirasya samulasya layaha. That samula means shariram, layaha, yadi. If this body becomes laya means what? Total merging. Total merging. Mithyatva nischayah. Yadi jnanena, if a person come to conclusion of mithyatva nischayah, means falsification of the body, which is ajnana karyam. How he has falsified? Jnanena. Clear? Jnanena ajnanasya ajnana karyasya. This is body. Ajnana karyasya samulasya layahana. Totally falsification. ஞானம் வந்தாச்சு, இந்த சரீரத்தை மித்யாத்வமா நிச்சயம் பண்ணிட்டான், இது பொய் பண்ணிட்டான். தென் அயம் தேஹா கதம் திஷ்டதி? திஸ் பாடி, அயம் தேஹா, திஸ் பாடி, கதம், ஹவு, திஷ்டதி, how it remain, how this body will continue if he falsified this body. என்ன பகவத்கீதா எல்லாம் படிச்சு, உபனிஷத்து எல்லாம் படிச்சு, this body is மித்யான்னு சொன்னதுக்கு அப்புறம் how this body can exist? They are not knowing the order of realities. அதுதான் ப்ராப்ளம். வியாவஹாரிக சத்தியம், பாரமார்த்திக சத்தியம், they are not understanding. Now he says देहा इति शंकावतः जडान. Shanka means doubt. Shankavataha means the people who are all having this doubt. What doubt? ஞானம் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் இந்த அஜ்ஞான காரியமான சரீரம் போயிடும் అని சொன்ன. But deha is there. How you can answer to that? Katham tishtati deha? How body can be there? And the shanka, the doubt comes. Shankavataha jadan means manda buddhyan. Jadan means those people who are having manda buddhi, dull minded anamata, gross minded people, dull witted people. They do not understand. They question like this. Further Shankaracharya gives answer. Again he comes to the question only in the next third line also. Prarabdham shrutihi vadati bahya drishtya samadhatum. So Shankaracharya gives answer, a satisfying answer, just to satisfy. What is that? Samadhatum. Samadhana padrathukaha, to satisfy. to satisfy what? Bahya drishtya means vyavaharika drishtya. From lower order of reality, empirical reality, not absolute, not paramarthikam, but vyavaharika drishtya, bahya drishtya, prarabdham vadati shrutihi. Shrutihi, Veda talks about, vadati means speaks, talks about, proclaim. Just it says, what? Prarabdham. Prarabdham irukku அந்த ஞானிக்கு அதுக்குதாக உடம்புல இருக்காருன்னு ஸ்ருதி says. எந்த ஸ்ருதின்னு சொல்லலை, அது we have to borrow from the words you can get to the Chandogya. Natu dehadi satyatva bodhanaya vipaschitam. Acharya says, Shruti is talking about the prarabdha, not to establish. Dehadi satyatva bodhanaya na. Vipaschitam bodhanaya na vadati na. That means what? In the deham, deha adi padat, annamaya kosha, manomaya kosha, pranamaya kosha, vijnanamaya kosha, all koshas, 5 koshas. Dehadi satyatvam. இந்த உடம்பு வந்து சத்தியமா அப்பா அனு ஞானிஸ் விபஸ்சிதாமன்னா ஞானிஸ். Shastra is not talking about the prarabdha to jnanis to communicate this body is real. இந்த உடம்பு சத்தியம் அனு ஞானிக்கு சொல்றதுக்காக உபனிஷத் இஸ் நாட் டாக்கிங். அதுதான் தேகாதி சத்யத்வ போதனாய விபஸ்சிதாம் ந வததி. சாஸ்திர இஸ் நாட் டாக்கிங், ஸ்ருதி ந வததி. சாஸ்திர இஸ் சாந்தோக்யோபனிஷத் இஸ் நாட் டாக்கிங் டு அட்ரஸிங் த வைஸ் பீப்புள் about what? This body is real. All of you listen. ஓ ஞானிஸ், உங்களுக்கு பிராரப்தம் இருக்கு, பிராரப்தம் இருக்கிற வரைக்கும் இந்த உடம்பு இருக்கும் అని சொல்றதுக்காக உபனிஷத்து பேசல. இது உபனிஷத் இஸ் நாட் டாக்கிங் டு ஞானிஸ் டு சே திஸ் பாடி இஸ் ரியல். தென் வை உபனிஷத் இஸ் டாக்கிங்? லிசன், ஐ வில் டெல் யூ வை உபனிஷத் இஸ் டாக்கிங். அது சொன்னார், பாஹ்ய திருஷ்டியா வியாவஹாரிக திருஷ்டியா. Upanishad is talking. So Upanishad talking to an ignorant people, jadan, mandabuddhi, na? For the sake of mandabuddhis. For those people, Upanishad comes down to the level of ajnani. Adi purinjukanam. That's why very difficult to study Shastra, no, individually. We should not. Now puriyudha ipo what type of doubts ella varudha. In Upanishad is telling, as long as prarabdha is there, he continues. Upanishad comes down to the level of ajnanis to satisfy them. Ada சமாதாத்தும் பாஹ்ய திருஷ்டியா வியாவஹாரிக திருஷ்டியா. ஏன்னா அவனுக்கு சரீரம் சத்தியம், ஜென்ம சத்தியம், பாடி இஸ் ரியல், பர்த் இஸ் ரியல், ஜாத்தகம் ஜாத்தகம், வீடு வீட சுத்துற, ஸ்ட்ரீட் ஸ்ட்ரீட் இஸ் அலைஞ்சுட்டு இருக்க, ஜாத்தகம் புரிஞ்சுங்க பிடிச்சிட்டு. அவனுக்கு என்ன சொல்லணும்? பிராரப்தம் சொல்லணுமா வேண்டாமோ? For that sake, Shruti has to talk. Next shloka. Natu dehadi satyatva bodhanaya. Not for the teaching about the reality of the body to jnanis, but for the sake of ajnanis only, prarabdha is mentioned in the Shastra. Okay. Next shloka, 464. Paripurnamanadyantam aprameyamakriam एकमेवाद्वयं ब्रह्म नेह नानास्ति किंचन. From this verse onwards, 464 onwards, up to 471, Shankaracharya is talking about the Jnani's vision. How he looks at his body, mind, how he looks at whole thing, how he looks at himself. Jnani's vision. Very beautiful slokas, nididhyasana slokas for contemplation. Dhyanam. To do dhyanam, these slokas are very, very useful. Now is the description of Atma. The Jnani, wise person thinking. Cheda shunyam. Not limited by space. Who am I? I, the consciousness, Chaitanyam, is not limited by the space. Who is limited by the space? Body. Once I have owned up, I am consciousness, all pervading Chaitanyam. From Paramarthika Drishtya, Vyavaharika Drishtya, am I Atma or Shariram? I am Shariram. Vyavaharika Drishtya, from lower order of reality. That is RC, Jiva Atma, in the Jivan, in the body. Vyavaharika Drishtya, I am Desha Parichinnaha. Desha limited by space. If I am in Ramanujam street, I am not in my house. If I am in my house, I am not here. I am very limited. Not street, in the hall, in the room. If we sit here, I am not there. Body limited. But whereas Atma, I am pervading in all bodies, in everything, the whole universe I am pervading. And Brahmandam, fully I am pervading. That is called Paripurnam. Paritaha Purnam. Purayati Sarvam iti. That which pervades everywhere. Purayati Sarvam. Paritaha Purayati. So ask them to come near the fan. Just please. So Paripurnaha means I am not limited by the space. That means what? I am all pervading. Paritaha means whole. Sarvatra. Purnaha. Pervading. Purayati. Filling. As consciousness, I am filled. No? I am filling everything. I am filling everything. Paripurnam. Then next one. Anadyantam. Anadyantam means Adi means Utpatti. Anta means Maranam, Nashaha. Na Adi, na Antam. Utpatti Nasha Rahitam. Janma Marana Rahitam. Adi means beginning. Antam means end. Na Adi, na Antam. Beginningless and endless. Who? I am Atma Swarupam. Shariram is not Anadi, Anantam. No. It has got Antam, it has got beginning and end. So I, the consciousness, is Utpatti Nasha Vidhuram. Free from birth and decay. Then Aprameyam, number 3. Aprameyam means unobjectifiable. I will never come under an object as an object to see. A receiver can never be received. That's going to say coming in next slokas. I am the consciousness through body, mind, complex. I am objectifying everything. I am the subject. Whatever I am objectifying is called prameyam. This is object is called prameyam. The subject who is seeing is called aprameyam. I, the consciousness, is the subject. The subject can never be objectified. The subject can never be objectified. Since I am the subject, Atma can never come in the place of an object. Therefore I am what? Aprameyam. Aprameyam aprameya swaprakasha mano vacha magochara. Inge Lalita Sahasranama. And அப்ரமேயம் விழுந்து விழுந்து எத்தனை வருஷமோ பாராயணம் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். புரியுறதே? அப்ரமேயா என்ன அந்த அப்ரமேயம்? இதுதான். That means that Lalita who is aprameya is none other than me. Now the Lalita Sahasranama chanting purpose is over. புரியுறதே? I am the Swaprakasham. Otherwise, Lalita Sahasranama, if I am chanting, it is meaningless if I do not know who is Aprameyam. Now tell me, who is Lalita is different from me or me myself? Because I can never objectify myself. Since the Lalita is Aprameyam, that Lalita is none other than the consciousness. Therefore, I can claim myself as Lalita. Not Jailalita, but Lalita. In Vishnu Sahasranama also it comes. Aprameya. It's because Strilinga Aprameya comes here. Okay? Aprameyam. Then Avikriyam. Avikriyam means which is never subject to modification. Vikriya means modification. Avikriya means I, the Atma, is modificationless, changeless, ever changeless. Atma Swarupam Avikriyam, Vikriya Rahitam. Next one, Ekam, Ekameva, Advayam Brahma. Who am I? Paripurnam Brahma Ahamasmi. Anadyantam Brahma Ahamasmi. Aprameyam Brahma Ahamasmi. Avikriyam Brahma Ahamasmi. Ekam Sajatiya Vijatiya Swagata Bheda Rahitaha. Ekam means non-dual, secondless. Advayam. Ekam means Swagata Bheda Rahitam. Brahmaive tadamutra tadanvihana. Brahmaiveha tadamutra tadanvihana. Everything, that also Brahman, this is also Brahman, everything is Brahman. That's why in Mandukya Upanishad we saw na nirodho na chotpattihi na baddho na cha sadhakaha na mukshurna vai muktaha ityesha paramarthataha. There is no utpatti, there is no laya also. Therefore he says ekam ekamevadvitiyam iti Chandogya. Aham ekam eva advitiyam brahman. Advitiyam means secondless. Dvitiya means second. Advitiyam means secondless. I am the secondless Brahma Swarupam. But no competition, no comparison, no limitation. Appa. No finitude. Infinite. Where there is second thing that limits me, where there is limitation, that it gives me insecurity. Where there is insecurity, there is no peace of mind. Where there is no peace of mind, life is so much burdensome. That's why enlightenment. You know what is enlightenment? That enlightenment is this knowledge which lightens my mind. லைட்டுன்னா வெரி லைட், ஐ ஃபீல் ஸோ லைட். பாரமே கிடையாது. நோ இன்செக்யூரிட்டி, நோ லிமிட்டேஷன், நோ பரிச்சின்னதா, நோ காம்படிஷன், நோ கம்பேரிசன். ரெண்டாவது இருந்தால் தானே கம்பேரிசன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு. செகண்ட் திங் இருந்தால் தானே கம்பேரிசன் பண்ணுறோம். நான் ஏன் கம்பேரிசன் பண்ணுறேன் சுவாமி, நான் செகண்ட் திங் இல்லை, நானும் பிரம்மணன் புரியலன்னு அர்த்தம். Why we are comparing, why we have limitation, why we have insecurity, and still we are in that parichinna aham. ஆர்சிலோரே இருக்கும். இந்த ஓர்சி வந்து ஓனப் பண்ணல, நிஷ்ட வரலன்னு அர்த்தம். இன்னும் புக்ஸிலோ நோட்ஸிலோ கேசெட்லோ தான் இருக்கு, இன்ஃபர்மேஷனாக இருக்கு, ஆனாலும் இன்னும் நிஷ்ட வரல. அதுக்கு ரொம்ப நாளாகும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வரணுமே, அதுக்கப்புறம் தானே நிஷ்டா, டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்மேஷன். தேர்ஃபோர் திஸ் இஸ் த உபனிஷத் கோட்டிங். சாந்தோக்யோபனிஷத். ஏகமேவாத்விதீயம் பிரம்மா நேஹ நானாஸ்தி கிஞ்சனா. இஹ மீன்ஸ் ஹியர், நானா ந அஸ்தி கிஞ்சன, கொஞ்சம் கூட. கிஞ்சனா மீன்ஸ் an iota, ஏதாவது கொஞ்சமாவது இருக்குமா சுவாமி, பிரம்மன் தவிர கொஞ்சம் இருக்கலாமே. அந்த மாயா எது சொல்றாங்களே அது இருக்குமோ? கிஞ்சனா கொஞ்சம் கூட கிடையாது. அந்த ரோப்பு பார்த்துட்டு கொஞ்சம் அந்த டெய்ல் மாதிரி தெரியறது சுவாமி, டெய்ல் மட்டும் இருக்கு, அந்த ஸ்னேக் தெரியறதுன்னா. அரே நீங்க பார்க்கறதெல்லாம் ரோப்பு தான், அந்த இல்லாத கொஞ்சம் தலை டெய்லு இதெல்லாம் வராது அதில். You cannot talk a little bit some anatma here. என்ன ஏதாவது if you accept something little bit, அந்த little bit limits the Brahman, துவைத்தம் வந்துடும். அத்வைத்தம் பிரம்மன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. Therefore kinchana, Kathopanishad also tells the same thing. மனசைவேத மாப்தவ்யம் நேஹ நானாஸ்தி கிஞ்சனா மிருத்யோஸ்ஸ மிருத்யுமாப்னோதி யைஹ நானா இவ பஷ்யதி. மனசைவேத மாப்தவ்யம், I have to attain this knowledge through my mind alone. நேஹ நானாஸ்தி கிஞ்சனா, there is no nana. நானா வேரியஸ் திங்ஸ். இந்த உலகத்தில் பார்க்குற வேரியஸ் திங்ஸ் எல்லாம் நானா லாட் ஆஃப் திங்ஸ். வேர் இஸ் மை பாட்டு? இல்லையா, இதில் இருக்கு. மை பாட் இஸ் நாட் அவைலபிள் டுடே. ஓகே, நானா மீன்ஸ் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் நேம்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபார்ம்ஸ் ஆர் நாட் தேர் அட் ஆல். தே ஆர் ஆல் ஓன்லி நாம ரூபம். சத்தா இஸ் பிரம்மன் அலோன். நேஹ ந இஹ நானா அஸ்தி கிஞ்சன, கொஞ்சம் கூட டிவிஷன்ஸ் கிடையாது. இந்த நாம ரூபம் எல்லாமே பொய். நேஹ ந இஹ, நேஹன்னா என்ன? இஹ நானா ந அஸ்தி கிஞ்சன. இங்கே கொஞ்சம் கூட இந்த டிஃபரன்ஸு கிடையாது. சரி, டிஃபரன்சஸ் பார்க்குறேனே நானுன்னா, ஐ எம் சீயிங் டிஃபரன்சஸ். That name, this form, that form. I am seeing so many objects, so many names, so many forms I am seeing. It says, Mrityosa mrityum apnoti ya iha nana iva pashyati. Whoever sees nana, enna nana? Tamil nana kadiyadu. Nana anna many, manifold. Nana means manifold. Whoever sees manifold things really, அதுக்கு ரியாலிட்டி கொடுத்தவன மிருத்யோச மிருத்யும் ஆப்னோதி. புனரப்பி ஜனனம் புனரப்பி மரணம் புனரப்பி ஜனனி ஜఠரே சயனம். திஸ் ஜீவா ஹேஸ் டு என்டர் இன்டு மெனி வூம்ஸ். whoever sees நானா. மாதிரி என்னதான் பார்க்கணும் சுவாமி, எல்லாம் தெரியறது, என்ன கண்ணு மூடிக்கணுமான்னா? யூ நீட் நாட் க்ளோஸ் யுவர் ஐஸ். intellectually understand they are all different names and forms of Brahman. அவ்வளவுதான், ஒன்றும் பண்ண வேண்டாம். Understand whatever I am seeing, Sat, Chit, Anandam. That is going to come next shlokas. 465. The second line is same, very common in all shlokas. Now we'll read 465. Sadganam chidghanam nityam anandaghanamishray आनन्दगणमक्रियम् एकमेवाद्वयं ब्रह्म नेह नास्ति किञ्चन. In one Raja Darbar, there are Panditas. Raja maintained all these type of Panditas, Dvaiti, Advaiti, Visishtadvaiti, all people will be there. One Advaita Pandita says everything is Brahman, he says. Like our Vivek Chodamani class, he will go on talking with Raja. And whatever Advaiti is teaching, very appealing to this Raja. புஸ்தகம்ல கிடையாது, நான் சொன்னது சும்மா கதை. Okay, it is not there in the book. Whatever Advaiti Pandita is teaching, very appealing, very interesting to this Raja. He is very pleased by that Pandita and he is very favorable to that Pandita also. And that Dvaiti, Vishishtadvaiti Panditas got jealous of this Pandita. Raja is showing lot of interest in this Pandita only. Let me prove this Advaiti's teaching is false. He want to prove. In Advaiti, he want to talk about the duality. Then what he planned, one day all of them went to share that Vyakhyadi for outside, some forest somewhere. All of them, these Panditas. Then this Dvaiti Pandita planned earlier. When the time comes, I have to teach a lesson to this Advaiti so that Raja can understand how false he is talking. What happened? There, one elephant came. Mad elephant. That elephant came, all were running. Raja also running. Everybody climbing the tree and sitting on that. Then this Dvaiti, he thought this is the right time I can teach a lesson to this Advaiti. Then the elephant went off and all of them assembled one place. He asked Raja, Advaitini, see, oh Advaita Pandita, you are talking about everything is Brahman. Everything is Brahman. Elephant is also Brahman. Elephant is also Brahman. We the people are talking, elephant is different, I am different, therefore we are afraid of elephant. We ran away and for the security. But why you also ran? Why? You said elephant is also Brahman. There is no second thing other than Brahman. Then that Pandita said, Advaita Pandita, running is also Brahman. The running action is also Brahman. Pashyan, Shrunvan, Sprishan, Jigran. Very pragmatic. Advaita is very pragmatic, not theory. Not theory. Logical irukano eppovume. Anubhavam, Pratyaksham and Yukti, Anubhava, Pratyaksham is Shastra. Ellame together. Running also, elephant is Mithya, I said. Elephant irukkiradhu Brahmanda. But my running is also Mithya. I said elephant body name is Mithya. I said Brahman is Satyam. I ran away by seeing the mithya body, elephant, name and form. So therefore my running is also mithya. If you take body, name, mithya, my running is also mithya. If you take elephant is Brahman, my running is also Brahman. Who is running? Brahman. If that is mithya, this is also mithya. Running is also mithya, name also mithya, form also mithya. Yaar sonna? Very, very nice stories like this. So many are there in Shastra. Now Shankaracharya says, who am I? I am not seeing differently. Ekam eva advitiyam Brahma. That non-dual single, no? Single Brahman aham asmi. I am not able to see anything other than Brahman because I am Sadghanam, Chidghanam, Ananda Ghanam. Ghanam means Murti ityartha. Shariram. The consciousness is pure existence. Pure existence. In this body, Satghanam. நான் இருக்கேன். நான் இருக்கேன் என்ன எப்போ இருப்புதல் எதனால வந்தது? இந்த பாடி மூலமா தானே வந்தது. I am, this body is. Isness belong to whom? Atma, not to the body. See, this body is lady, woman is, man is, desk is, all these names Sat Ghanam. In that பொருளுக்குள்ள சத்தன்னு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, இது இருக்கு, இது இருக்கு, இது இருக்க, அந்த இருக்கிற அந்த வேர்டு பிலாங்ஸ் டு ஹூம்? பிரம்மன், ஆத்மா. நிஜமா பேசினா ஆத்மாக்கு தான். அதுதான் சத் கனம். எல்லா உடம்புலும் எல்லா பொருளும் இருக்கிறத இருப்புதல், அந்த ஈஸ்னஸ் பிலாங் டு அகம், ஆத்மஸ்வரூபம். நான் இருக்கேன்னு தான் சொல்றோம். என்னுடைய பாடி இருக்கேன்னு தானே சொல்றேன். இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் சொன்னால் உங்களுக்கு நல்லா புரியும். என்னுடைய உடம்பு இங்கே இருக்கு சொல்கிறோமா இல்லையா? என்னுடையது என்ன அர்த்தம்? மைன். வாட் இஸ் மைன் இஸ் நாட் மீ. அப்பா பழசு லெசன். வாட் இஸ் மைன் இஸ் நாட் மீ. என்னுடைய உடம்பு இங்கே இருக்கு, நான் இங்கே இருக்கேன். இந்த உடம்பு இங்கே இருக்கு என்ன அர்த்தம்? என்னுடைய உடம்பு, because this body belong to me but not me. நான் இருக்கேன். எங்க இருக்கேன்? இந்த உடம்புல இருக்கேன். அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? I am Sadghanam. Sadghanam. Chidghanam. I know. Through this body I know everything. You are also knowing, no, everything through this body. I know through my eyes. I know through my mind. I know through my body. What I know, the through is what? Instrument. Yes or no? I write with my pen. I write with my pen. What am I using? Is it called what? Instrument. Karanam. Pen is not me. I am using the pen. All of you are using, no? I am using pen. So pen is different from me or not? Similarly, I am seeing with my eyes. That means eyes are instrument. Instrument is not me. I think, I use my mind. What? Instrument. I am not the mind. I use my body. Instrument. I am not the body. That I know I am in this body. This body, my sense organs I know, my mind I know, my body I know, its complexion I know, its relations I know. What is that ghanam? Chidghanam. Sadghanam, Chidghanam. Next, Ananda Ghanam. Ananda Ghanam means Ananda, pure Ananda. Pure Ananda. ஏன்னா இந்த சரீரம் இல்லாமலே this mic cannot talk. நான் மைக் Swamini is talking in front of me. இந்த மைக்கு தெரியுமா? டெஸ்க்கு தெரியுமா? Swamini is sitting in front of me. Swamini is using டெஸ்க்கு தெரியுமா? சத் இருக்கு, ஆனாலும் சித்து இருக்கு, மேனிஃபெஸ்ட் பண்ற சக்தி இல்லை. சத் சித் ஆல் பர்வேடிங். ஏன்னா சதேவ சித்து, சித்து இல்லைன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. ஆனாலும் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்றதுக்கு அதுக்கு ஒரு மீடியம் வேணும். எல்லா கிளாஸஸுமே ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் கொடுக்க முடியாது. only certain glasses can reflect. அதே மாதிரி this Atma can reflect only in this particular mind medium. Clear? Therefore, Sadghanam, Chidghanam, Nityam, eternal. I am eternal. Akriyam, actionless. I am actionless. Therefore, I am Atma Swarupam. Whatever I see differently, they are not there really speaking. Neha nanasti kinchana, I am alone is there, ekam eva advitiyam. That is repetition. Same last previous verse. Second line is common. Now 466. Pratyagekara sampurnam anantam sarvato mukham ekamevadvayam brahma neha nanasti kinchana. So once the Brahman is Paripurnam, Advayam, Ekam, all we listen, general tendency is what? I want to see that Brahman. I want to see that Brahman. That desire may arise in the minds of the students. To negate that, Acharya want to say that Brahman you cannot see outside. The one who want to see is that Brahman. Ada pratyag ekarasam, pratyagatma. I am that Brahman. Mandukya is that thing. Na nirodho na chotpattihi. There is nothing. You cannot look at it outside. Pratyak, pratyagatma, aham, aham iti. Pratyak ekarasam. Ekarasam means desha drishtya anantaha, kala drishtya purnaha. Therefore, ekarasaha means sajatiya vilakshanaha. Sajatiya bhedam kuda kadiyadu. So every day in sleep ஏதாவது பேதம் தெரியறதா? In sleep சஜாத்திய பேதம்னு நமக்குள்ள இருக்கிற டிஃபரன்சஸ் கூட தெரியாது. இந்த ரைட் ஹேண்ட் இது லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் தான் தெரியறதா? సజాతీయ భేదం. విజాతీయ భేదం అన్న మై చిల్డ్రన్, హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ అనమాట. మై చిల్డ్రన్, మై వైఫ్, ఇదేదో తెలియదా స్లీప్లో? స్వగత భేదం, సజాతీయ భేదం, విజాతీయ భేదం. స్వగత భేదము తెలియదు. స్వగతం అన్న వన్స్ ఓన్ పార్ట్స్ తెలియదు. స్వగత భేదము తెలియదు. విజాతీయ భేదము తెలియదు. మేల్ ఫిమేల్ ఇదేదో తెలియదా స్లీప్లో? డూ యూ రిమెంబర్ యు ఆర్ మేల్ ఆర్ ఫిమేల్ ఇన్ ద స్లీప్? தெரியாது. விஜாத்திய பேதமும் தெரியாது. ஸ்வகத பேதமும் தெரியாது. விஜாத்திய பேதமும் தெரியாது. சஜாத்திய பேதமும் தெரியாது. விஜாத்தியம் என்னன்னா வேறு டிஃபரெண்ட் பொருள். அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் அங்கே இருக்க, நான் இங்கே இருக்கேன்னு ஏதாவது டிஃபரன்ஸ் தெரியறதா ஸ்லீப்பில்? எவ்ரிடே வி ஆர் எக்ஸ்பீரியன்சிங் திஸ் ஏகரசம். எங்கே? ஸ்லீப்பில். என்ன ரசம் இருக்குங்க? ஏக ரசம் தான் இருக்கு. பிரத்யக் ஏக ரசம். பூர்ணம் அனந்தம். பூர்ணம் means I have already explained. Desha drishtya anantah, kala drishtya purnam purnaha. Sarvato mukham. It is there in all directions, all pervading. Ekamevadvayam means sajatiya vijatiya swagata bheda rahitaha. What is this? If you go to sleep, you can understand all these three. இன்னைக்கு நைட்டுக்கு ட்ரை பண்ணி பாருங்க, ஏதாவது வேதம் தெரியறதானே? ஒன்றும் தெரியலையே சுவாமினி. அதுதான் நம்முடைய ஸ்வரூபம். டெய்லி பகவான் நமக்கு டேஸ்ட் காமிக்கிறாரு, ஆனால் புரிய மாட்டேங்கிறதே. எத்தனை வருஷமா தூங்கின்னு இருக்கோம். ட்ரை தட் more in the next class. Purnamada purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavashishyate. Om shanti shanti shanti. Harihi om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi om.